What's the meaning of bedrock? Bedrock. Bedrock.
Bedrock. Bedrock. Bedrock refers to the solid rock layer beneath the soil and sediment that lies on the Earth's surface. It is the fundamental layer that supports the weight of all the layers above it. Bedrock can be made up of different types of rocks, such as granite, basalt, limestone, or sandstone, depending on the location and geological history of the area. It is an important resource for construction materials, as many buildings and infrastructure projects require sturdy foundations built on top of bedrock. In addition, bedrock can also play a role in groundwater management and earthquake activity, making it an important topic of study in geology and civil engineering.